Alright guys, pay very close attention, because what I'm about to show you could easily be the biggest missed opportunity on YouTube right now. Take a look at this channel. It has over 5 million subscribers, and has already crossed 639 million views, and they did it by tapping into one of the most luxurious, profitable, and high RPM niches on the entire platform. When you look closely, you'll notice something interesting. They're not making random content. They're smartly creating videos around business, entrepreneurship, the habits of the ultra-rich, and making money, all of which fall directly under the finance niche. And if you know even a little about YouTube, you know this. The finance niche is one of the highest paying niches on the platform. We're talking RPMs that can shoot up to $40 per thousand views, meaning channels in this niche can earn up to 20 times more than normal creators with the same views. Now look at their latest video titles. The untold truth behind rich divorces. College or business? Answer these 5 questions. First, the 4 worst economic crashes explained. These titles are engineered to attract young people, new entrepreneurs, and money-driven viewers, the kind of audience that binge watches, stays longer, and brings in more ad revenue than almost any other niche. And here's the crazy part. Most creators ignore this niche because they think it's too competitive, but in reality, it's still wide open if you understand the strategy behind it. So in this video, I'm going to break down exactly how you can replicate their strategy step by step, so you can start creating videos just like this, even if you're a complete beginner. Don't blink, because this is the type of niche that can transform a small channel into a wildly profitable brand. Now, without wasting any time, let's get started. So to start creating your video, simply open ChatGPT and paste this prompt. You can find the link in the video description. You don't need to change anything, just hit enter, and ChatGPT will instantly generate a list of fresh, unique video ideas built to match the style of the top channels we're modeling. Take a look through the ideas and pick the one that excites you the most, the one you feel you have to make right now. These are the kind of ideas that could get your video noticed, shared, and watched by thousands, while others are still stuck trying to figure out what works. Once you've chosen your idea, we'll move to the next step, turning it into a full, ready-to-go script that hooks viewers and keeps them glued to your content from start to finish. Now, to create the script, simply paste this next prompt into ChatGPT. The only thing you need to change is your video topic. Just replace the part that says insert your video topic with the idea you chose in the previous step. Then hit the generate button and watch as ChatGPT instantly creates a fully structured, ready-to-use script for your video, complete with hooks, sections, and engaging content that keeps viewers glued. If the first version isn't exactly what you imagined, don't worry, you can ask it to regenerate, tweak it, or even refine it further until it's perfect. This way, you're in full control and can make the script exactly how you want it. Once your script is polished and ready, we'll move to the final step, which is creating the actual video, bringing your idea to life, and turning it into content that people can't stop watching and sharing. So to start creating the video, simply go to this tool. You can find the link in the video description. Once you're on the tool, here's what you need to do. Ask it to create a video following this script. Then go back to ChatGPT, copy the script it generated for you, and paste it into this box. Once your script is pasted, just hit the generate button, and you'll land on the next page where this tool gives you a full preview of your video. Here's what you do next. First, select your language. I'll go with English. Next, choose the voiceover for your video. This tool gives you access to a variety of voices, so pick whichever one fits your style. I'll go with Maya. After that, select the caption style you like. There are plenty of options, so choose according to your preferences. Finally, select the aspect ratio. Make sure to pick landscape or 16:9, because this is a long-form YouTube video, and that ratio works perfectly for it. And just like that, you're all set to move forward and bring your script to life as an engaging, professional-looking video. Now that we've made all the basic settings, it's time to edit the actual video. On the left side, you'll see that this tool has automatically generated different scenes for each part of your script. If you want to change any scene, it's super easy. Just click on the scene and you'll get 3 options. You can upload your own media, use stock media, or generate a brand new scene using AI. Want to shorten a scene? Simply place your mouse cursor where you want to split it and hit the enter button. This will create a shorter scene, but you'll notice the new part has a blank screen. Don't worry, you can click on it and add media either through stock media or AI generated content. As you scroll down, you might see parts of the video that only have a black screen. No problem, you can add new scenes there in the same way using stock media or AI. Just make sure every part of your video has a scene, so your final video looks smooth, professional, and polished. Once everything is in place, simply click preview your video to see how it looks, and then download it to your device. And that's it. You've successfully created your own high-quality, engaging video from start to finish. Thanks for watching, and get ready to make more amazing content.